Model, 66-plate Citroen Relay 35 L3H2 BlueHDi 130 6-speed Enterprise. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 90,168. MOT, the 24th of October 2024. Engine, 1997 ccDW10 FUDA. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, takes a few more cranks to start than average, runs with a misfire. Headgasket needs replacing, coolant is pressurising. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Check engine light on the dash. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, sat-nav, parking sensors, 2 keys, air-con, cruise control, electric windows. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £6,995. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively,